Okay, today. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use Procreate for just the basic. Okay, and let's start. Okay, this is my Procreate homepage to create a new paper or new canvas. So you just click this icon, plus icon, and then it will show you this is the default size that they give to you, and also you can customize the size that you want. But okay, I will go with the screen size, this one, the first one. Okay, this is my canvas, first canvas. So I'm going to show you that we don't have to just always like full screen like this. We can pinch it like this, pin inch, and it will smaller. And you can play. Okay, and then this one is color. You can push color, and this icon plus icon, you can bring the color that you have from the file, new from file, new from camera, or you can create palette by yourself. But my favorite is I like to paint from the real photo, so I like to import the color from the photos. When you click it, it will go to your photo library from your iPad. Okay. And then next, this is the layer icon. When you click it, it will show layer. I will go this one first. This one is an eraser. When you click it, it will show brush from brush library canvas. And this one smudge. Also smudge the same of eraser. You can choose brush on brush library. I also bought some brushes from internet here, and this is all Procreate brushes, which is plenty of brushes that you can use. Okay, and yes, and after we know the brushes, and then I will show you this one is for adjusting the size of your brush, and this is for adjust the opacity for your brush that you are using. Okay, for this side, the icon, this is for select the object on your canvas. When you draw something, it become object, and then you can select it. It depends on the layer too. If layer 1 you draw something, and then this one just will select only object in layer 1, so you understand that. And then the next one is another function that you can fill automatic on your object. If you choose automatic and choose color fill, you can fill it, or you can draw something freehand. And then next, adjustment for your object in your layer. You can adjust the light, you can make it color balance, you can make motion blur on the object, on the layer. And then this one is important too. If you want to insert a file, insert a photo, or take a photo, or you want to add text, canvas, this is for adjust the size of your canvas. You can share video, profile. I haven't tried all of these things much. I just go with my painting and finish, and yet I do not have to use this one much. Okay, now I will start to show you. I will paint something a little bit. Show you how to fill color quickly in Procreate app. Okay, first draw the line, then select the color and drag it to fill in. And then next, create a new layer and move the layer down to the bottom. The new layer should be under the layer that you just filled the color. Okay, next you can just keep drawing and filling the color by the method that I just showed you. I'm going to show you how to export your artwork. First, you have to go to your home page and then click select, then select your artwork to export. And then click share, then select JPEG or the image files. And then save image to the photo library. And then now it's in your iPad photo library.